How to delete photos from Instagram chat media. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete photos from Instagram chat media step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, go to your messages by tapping on the chat icon. Open the conversation where the photo is located. Method 1. Delete from chat directly. Find the photo you want to delete. Tap and hold on the image. Now tap on Unsend. This will remove the photo from both your side and the other person's chat. Method 2. Delete from Media section. At the top of the chat, tap on the username. Now go to Media, Links, and Docs. Here you'll see all shared photos. Tap on the photo you want to delete, then tap and hold on it and select Unsend. Important note: once you unsend a photo, it will be removed for everyone in the chat. However, if the other person already saved it or screenshotted it, it won't be removed from their device. And that's it. That's how you can delete photos from Instagram chat media easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!